In today's video, I'll teach you how to top up coins using bank in ReelShort. First of all, launch open ReelShort application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. This interface will not be recorded. So if you want to top up the coins using the bank, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you'll be able to see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the profile interface. Over here, you'll be able to find various options. Right over here, you'll be able to see the option for My Wallet. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to My Wallet interface. You'll be able to find the options like coins, My VIP games, transaction history, etc. Tap on this option refill that you can see on the screen right next to the option for coins. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the store interface. In this interface, you can see your balance. Also, you'll be able to see the refill section over here. You can see various coin packages. Tap on the coin package of your choice. Now in order to purchase it, you'll have to add the payment method. If your region supports linking the bank account, over here you'll be able to find the option for link bank account. All you have to do is tap on it. Right now this option is not available for me. Simply tap on the option link bank account. Now after you do that, follow through the on-screen prompts in order to link your bank account. The process might vary according to the bank, so follow the on-screen instructions to complete the bank transaction. After you do that, the coins will be added to your account. So that is how you top up coins using bank in ReelShort. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.